Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in granite. It looks great. You do have your halogen quad headlights just down there and your chrome accenting on the grille. Now coming around the side, we do have our 17-inch rims with Michelin brand tires. Tires still look great, and those rims look nice as well. You do have heated exterior mirrors on this guy, and coming all the way around to the back, we do have the Grand Caravan badging as well as the Dodge and the SXT. Now as long as it's unlocked, we just gotta pull this. Lots of room back here as well. You do got your mats just down there, a little bit of additional storage in there, and they are stow and go seats, so if we move this out of the way, we can fold these down. You just gotta follow the instructions. So this is number 1 right here. Pull that. 2 is just down here. 3 is here, and 4 is just right here, and it folds just into the ground like that. Then you can do the same with the ones up front and the other side, and you got tons and tons of room. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 pressed to unlock, 1 pressed to lock, and we do have a panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Bit of chrome accenting and nice kind of swirly accenting right here. Handle here and a nice leather to put your arm on. You got some storage here and some more down here with a water bottle holder. Very nice interior as well. I like the seats. They're very comfortable and soft to sit on. You do have the controls over your lights, so you have your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams there, as well as your in-cabin light control right here. And right up here, we do have the controls over our, I'm getting blinded a little bit, we have the controls over our high beams, turning signals, and our windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have in the center there how many kilometers we have, 1,300. That's not very many at all. We can change that a little bit to our trip A and B, as well as our distance till empty, our kilometers, our liters per 100 kilometers, the temperature outside, and back to our kilometers. That is controlled from right here, as well as we have our horn in the center and our cruise control options. Around the back of the steering wheel, we do have volume up and down, as well as a source changer. And we do have our gear shift right there, just like that. Over here we do have our radios, so we have our seek options, AM and FM, disc, aux cord, and our fast forward and rewind, as well as our eject and our time, volume up and down. You can push for your power. And then you also have your presets down here, your set, and then your audio changing channel options there. As well, you do have your aux cord right there. Down here we do have our climate control, so we have where it's going to blow out of. We have a dual climate system, so you and your passenger can have different levels of hot or cold. You also have your AC, you have your power, and then you have your defrosts over here. Econ mode, we have our hazard lights, and then we also have our traction control. Down here we have a bit of storage and some cup holders right there. Then you also have some more cup holders right in there, keeping it nice and safe. Then you also have a top layer glove box and a locking bottom layer glove box right there. And then up top we do have a sunglass holder right there with a mirror. Let's take a look at the back here. Open this guy up. You do have lots of room back here. Very soft seats as well. They feel great. Now they are also stow and go seats. So all you gotta do is you just gotta pull this up right here. Just like this. And fold this up. All we gotta do is just pull this right here. Everything folds up and down into the floor. Then you can fold this down over top. And it looks awesome. Then you have so much room. You also have access to the back here. It does seat 3 people, so you can hold 7 people all together, and you do have some cup holders back there and everything as well. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.